Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to enter medical store accounts in Tally Prime. Okay, so regarding this, today we will discuss. So for your reference, note down this transaction. So these are the medical pharmacy transactions. This is purchase, this is purchase, this is sales, one more purchase, one more sales. So these are the ledger accounts. Okay, so you have to create this ledger account. Okay, so go to gateway of Tally. First you have to enable inventory feature. Press F11. You come to enable batches. Enable batches. You set to yes. Because in medical pharmacy, batch detail is very important. Okay. Maintain expiry date for batches. Set to yes. So expiry date also very important. And one more GST features. You have to enable GST feature. Set to yes. So type GST number. Enable GST classification. Set to yes. So accept all these things. Okay. So create one by one this ledger. Go to accounting master, select ledger, purchase at 18%. Under purchase account. Type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST detail. Set to yes. So nature of transaction. Select purchase taxable in the list of nature of transaction. Purchase taxable. So type GST slab rate 18%. Type of supply goods, accept. So next one, sales at 18%. Under sales account, type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, applicable. Set alter GST detail, yes. Nature of transaction, select sales taxable. Select sales taxable. So type GST slab rate 18%. Type of supply goods. Accept. So next, CGST at 9%. Yes, GST at 9%. CGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes. Type of duty / tax. Select GST. Tax type. Select central tax. Accept. Next, SGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty or tax, select GST. Tax type, select state tax, accept. So next one, Balaji Pharmacy Limited. Balaji Pharmacy Limited. Supplier. Supplier comes under sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. So type the address. 9th Main, 15th Cross, Koramangala, first block, Bangalore. So type PAN number. So type GST number. Accept. So next one, Kalyan Medical Store, customers. Kalyan Medical Stores. Under sundry debtors. So type the address. Number 10, 5th Main, 12th Cross, Vijayanagar, Bangalore. Type pin code, type PAN number, type GST number, accept. So next one, Ganesh Medical Store. Ganesh Medical Stores. Under sundry debtor, type the address. Panashankari, Bangalore. Type PAN number, type GST number, accept. Next, credit card. Suppose anybody will buy credit card or phone pay. So for that examples, credit card under bank account. Phone pay under bank account. Okay friends, so ledger is over. So now come to the creation of stock items. Okay, so before creating the stock items, you need to create creation of units. This is very important. Escape, go to inventory master, select unit, create one by one. Boxes, BXS symbol, full form, boxes, not applicable. So next one, strips, STRP, short form, full name, strips. So next one, tablets. Bottle, BTL. Formal name, bottle. Okay. So now you come to the stock items. So before creating the stock items, you have to create stock group. See here, Crocin, Euroglyph, Istavel, Liptor, Pandy, Poyos 15 mg. These are all tablets. So in stock group, you give the name, stock group name, tablets. Under primary, Should quantities of items be added? Set to yes, accept. So this one syrup. So type syrup. Primary, set to yes, accept. So now come to the creation of stock item. So select stock items. So type one by one. Crocin. These are all tablets. Crocin. Under tablets, select unit. So crocin. So this is comes in strips. Strips means sheet. So select strip. So here you have to activate or enable use alternative units. Press F12 configuration. See here. Use alternative units. Use alternative units. Set to yes. Accept. So now here strips. Select tablets. So for example, crocin. In a one sheet, how many tablets are there? You have to specify here. Okay. For example, 12 tablets in a strips. So type 12. So type one strip. Okay. So like this you have to create alternative units. Okay. Maintain in batches. This is very important. Set to yes. Track date of manufacturing, not required, leave it. Use expiry dates. This is very important. Set to yes. GST applicable. Yes, applicable. Set alter GST details. Yes. So type here. Friend, press F12 configuration. See here. Allow HSN SAC details. So here it is showing no. You set to yes. Otherwise, you can't get here HSN and description option. Okay. So press F12 configuration. Allow HSN SAC details. Set to yes. Accept. Okay. So here you have to type crocin. Otherwise, leave it. So for example, I will show for one. So HSN code 3001 on value taxable. Select taxable. So type 18%. Goods. Accept. So after crocin, Euroglyph M2. Under tablets, select strips. Alternative unit, tablets. This is 10 tablets in a sheet. So type 10. Maintain batches, yes. Track date of manufacturing, no. Use expiry date, set to yes. GST applicable, applicable. Set alter GST details, set to yes. So here type Euroglyph M2. So when you are practicing, you can type. So 3001 HSN code on value taxable 18%. Goods reporting UQC not applicable, accept. Next one is towel 100 mg. Under tablets, strips. This is 7 tablets in a strips. Okay. Use the expiry date, set to yes. GST applicable, yes. Set alter GST detail, yes. So HSN code on value, select taxable 18%. Accept. Pandy. Under tablets, strips, so 10 tablets in a strips. Expiry date set to yes, GST applicable, set alter GST details set to yes. So type HSN code, on value, taxable, type 18%. Goods not applicable, accept. So next one, Pious 15 mg. Under tablets, strips, so 10 tablets, 1 strip, maintain in batches yes, use expiry date set to yes, GST applicable, set alter GST details yes, type HSN code, on value, select taxable, type tax, GST slab rate, goods, reporting UQC not applicable, accept. Okay. So next come to the syrup. Gelusil 300 ml syrup. Gelusil 300 ml syrup. Under syrup. Units, boxes. Alternative units, bottle. So this bottle packed in boxes. Okay. So 12 bottle in a single box. So one box contain 12 bottle. You have to specify here. Okay. Maintain in batches set to yes. Use expiry date set to yes. GST applicable. Set alter GST details yes. Type HS code. On value, select taxable. 18%. Goods not applicable, accept. So next one, Benadryl. Benadryl 250 ml syrup. 250 ml syrup. Under syrup, boxes, bottle. So this is 24 bottle in a box. Expiry date set to yes. GST applicable. Set alter GST details set to yes. HSN code. On value, taxability, select taxable, type 18%. Goods not applicable, accept. So next one, Asthalin. Asthalin 250 ml. Under syrup, bottle, boxes. So 12 bottle in a box. Set to yes. Applicable, set to yes. 3001. On value, taxability, taxable, 18%. Integrated tax. Goods not applicable, accept. Glycodine. Glycodine 300 ml syrup. Under syrup, boxes. So 12 bottle in a box. Set to yes. Applicable, yes. Type HSN code. Calculation type, on value, taxability, taxable, 18%. So next one, Honitus. Bonitas under syrup. $12 bottle in a box. Expiry date set to yes. Applicable set to yes. Type HSN code. Calculation type on value. Taxability taxable 18%. Goods not applicable accept. So okay friend, so everything is created. So and create one more account in ledger. Go to the accounting master, select ledger, create your company current account bank. So for example, State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Under bank account, type account number. IFS code SBIB 0003579. So this is the format of IFS code. Accept. Okay friends. So all pharmaceutical related ledger accounts creation is over. Okay friends. In my next video, how to enter the pharmacy transaction in Tally Prime. So regarding this, we will discuss in next video. Please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.